try 660. Okay. You'll need to center it to get the perfect like size and everything when you're gonna edit the size. So let's go back to biography. 20. 620. Is that done it? Yeah, just about. That'll be okay. And now you can move it that way a bit more, or you can just keep it like that. I mean, you got the scroll bar here, which looks a bit messy, so you want it a bit like there, and you can have like the height a bit more bigger. So I'm gonna make my height and width bigger. So currently my width is 610. Now the actual background is 800 pixels. So if you think about it, like 10 off there, 10 off there, 20, about 760 will do. I'll do 750 just to be sure. And height is, I would say, approximately 270. So once you've done that, you can see what it looks like. As you can see, it's moved more that way. It's moved that way a bit more right, and it looks better. So I'm going to move it left a bit more and move it up a bit, and that should be the biography done. So left 270, and if you've noticed, it's minus 270, and I would keep it as minus if I were you. Oops, wrong way. Yeah, sometimes it can get a bit confusing, like minuses and stuff on codes. And I can keep it at that, like the thing outside of the box, or you can put it in the box. I'm going to put it in the box because it's going to save me a bit more room and stuff. Yeah, so let's move it just a tad bit more. 65, 67 actually. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to move it up a bit. 600. Perfect. Now you've got your video. Yeah. Then you got all your friends and comments left. So let's start off with the video then, shall we? So find your video, .video, div.videos. And I'm going to move it up a bit. Quite a lot actually. 1000 will do. See where that takes us. There. Okay. And I'm aiming to put it right here. In the middle here. So you can have loads of videos going here, across. And it'll scroll down with more videos. So, yeah. I'm gonna get that. So 1050. I've done my margin left minus 370. Oh, perfect. Pretty much actually. Yeah, it's pretty much perfect. And then basically, because it's to a set height and width, it should like scroll down with everything. And yeah, basically that's how you do that. And I'm just gonna have a look what that will look like if I add another video in. See what it looks like. So yeah, that kind of happens where it's like that. Kind of comes off a bit, but then you can break it like BR, then move it up a bit, and that should be better. Or if you want to get it perfect, I'll get the perfect image size, one sec. Okay, I've got the perfect image size of the box. You can do that just by like making a file, new image, pressing OK, moving that box into there, cropping it, going image size, whatever it is. And you know, it's better like that, I guess. So save all changes, see what happens now, shall we? Obviously I'm going to start moving it again, I think. So yeah, it's going to be like that kind of thing. And then it's centered now. And then all the things are going to go like that. Downwards. That looks alright. Now friends and comments is the final part. So now I've got my friends and comments. So friends and comments, you can just go scroll straight down. And here it is. Height. Can make that. Actually, I know what to do. I just get my file new. I'll show you what I meant by that. Get in the box. Get your box. Move it into another thing. Crop it. See what size it is. .748 by 748. So 7. I'll make it 740 in that case. Now that just needs to go down a bit more. 46. Perfect. And that's in. And then all your comments will go down, and all that kind of stuff. So there it is, your basic code, or everything works. And then that's a really simple code. And once again, I'll just go over everything one last time. You got your margin top, which goes the higher the number, bigger the number, more down it goes, less the number, more up it goes. Margin left, without minus, it will go more left. With minus, it will go more right. Width, you have to put that in for the size of your image or whatever. And then the tip that I showed you about moving the box file new that I just showed you, cropping it, that makes it a lot easier. Biography, you can change the colour by going colour FFF there. And then you can do the same for everything else. Your text stuff is all here. Everything here is your text stuff. So you just like go FFF or everything there. Whereas it says colour here. I'll hash it all off for you, so it'll make it easier. And that's about it. That's your new code. If you need to rewatch it, struggling or anything, that's, you know, just watch it again, and it gets really easy. It's a very complex code, have to admit. Professional designers do use this code as well. So if you're struggling at first time, you know, it happens. So just keep trying at it, and you know, you'll get there. So that's it. Thanks for watching. It's RSV Designs.